Sir Box! Ay, sorry. Principal Eric Bucala na pala. Nalalaw pa ba ako? Isa ako doon sa 11 itlog ng aga sa doon, batch 2009. Actually, hindi na rin po namin masyado yung kinagulat yung balita. Kasi high school pa lang kami, we had our discussions na like, what if si Sir Box yung principal natin? And I'm pretty sure one of us said, ang cool siguro lalo pumasok sa St. Jude. We knew this day would actually come. It will eventually come soon. And everyone from our batch would agree kapag sinabi ko na we never had any single doubt sa ability mo to teach, to lead, and kung gaano ka-awesome yung personality mo. You have always been passionate about teaching, and pinakita mo all through the years kung gaano ka-importante sa'yo, St. Jude, pati yung mga estudyante. Pinakita mo rin sa amin halos araw-araw during our stay there at St. Jude na learning could actually be fun. This may sound cheesy, pero isa ka sa mga nagbigay kulay ng high school life namin. So, we will be forever grateful about it. Sayang lang kasi we can't all be together para celebrate or ipakita man lang yung excitement namin para sa installation mo as our new principal. Kaya in behalf ng tropang Agatha, batch 2009, especially kina Kevin, kina Renz, kina Alfie, Emil, George, saka kay Master, si Denmark na rin. Congratulations, Mr. Eric Bucalan. And we all know, we believe that greater things are yet to happen and to come there at St. Jude.